Hello guys, and welcome back to this week's video. I'm so excited to have you here because today we're gonna do a week of workouts as well as a what I eat in a week. So I kind of just mixed it all together and shared what I ate, what I worked out, what my plan was, and I also have all of the stats on it. So I wore my Apple Watch throughout all of this if you're curious to see any of that. So without further ado, let's get right into the planning. Okay guys, before we getting right into the video, I just roughly wanted to show you what my plan for the week might be. You can see I bike to and from all the time, and I have track and field and basketball as my state exam this semester. So this is what I have in orange, this is what I have to do for university. Biking is red. I don't bike for an hour, but I bike for like at least 3 kilometers every time, so I thought I might include it. Skating is free time, so that is green. So that's what we have for Monday. Tuesday we have the same, basketball, track and field, and biking. We didn't go skating because obviously you can see it was a lot more spread out. On Wednesday we were only playing basketball and going skating, which was a lot of fun. I always love the skate sessions. They're like my favorite thing ever. On Thursdays when I took a little break and I only did yoga because it was raining all day, you're gonna see. So that was a really chill one, and then I kind of mixed it up here. So for the next day, for Friday, we have bike, track and field, and skate. I skipped out on basketball, and you're gonna see in a second. I'm gonna pull it over there. And then for the weekend we were actually in Berlin, so I didn't really have anything there, but you're gonna see that in another vlog. So let's continue with this, and this is what my schedule is roughly gonna look like. Good morning. I'm just having my breakfast, which is nuts and dates, which is actually like the perfect pre-practice breakfast. I've been having this every single day for weeks now, and I've been loving it because it's super light, but it also gives you like so much energy. It's also super tasty. I just love this. And I just realized I didn't get bananas and I didn't get the stuff for my juice because I was really craving a banana shake. That's very unfortunate. But I am, after this breakfast, going to go to basketball and track and field. It will only be a really short track and field session because I don't have that much time because we meet rather early with the basketball girls, and then we'll just do our thing, and then that's the workout for the morning. So let's go, let's have this breakfast, and I'm gonna take you along with the practice. I've been holding out, it's hard to hide the truth. You've been good to me, and all I do is lie to you, to you. You should know that there's another side of me. I never will take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me, show you all my fantasies. It was out of fear I turned you away. Hold on to me, here's a ticket to my darkest place. Hello, welcome to lunch. This is what I have left over from yesterday. Thank God I don't have to cook today. And it's actually quite a lot, so I might be eating that tonight too. And this is basically just, I would say it's like German tortellini, which it's called Maultaschen. It's basically just filled pasta, so it is German tortellini. And I just put some onions into it, cooked it up with some oil, and then cut fresh tomatoes in, which is just perfect. And I'm super hungry. It's 3:40 already. I don't know how I haven't eaten anything yet, but I just wasn't hungry, and I also needed to finish my book. Lovely. And practice today was so exhausting. It was so super hot. I didn't even feel like I could do anything, but it was still good. That's what I'm eating, and that was how practice went. So I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat now. Now you know that there's another side of me. Another world, take a trip, there's something you should see. If you're ready, let me know, then I'll take you with me. Take you with me and show you all my fantasies. Show you all my fantasies.
composure. You close your eyes, I lead the way. Show ya, my fantasies. Show you all my fantasy.
Hello guys, so track and field was actually really good. I didn't want to go. I was so motivated because it was just super hot, like it was burning, and I was just so over it. I didn't want to do it anymore. It wasn't really working all that well the times before that, so I was like, no. But then a friend of mine took me by my hand and he was like, we're gonna go now, like we can do this, just a couple more days, and that was really nice. And he also helped me with my approach because we did change that the last time and then nothing worked anymore, and now I feel like I kind of get it down, as well as I was running really fast in the beginning and then I kind of slowed down in front of the bar, which is obviously stupid because it has to be the other way around. I tried to switch that and I was going more as like a jump kind of run and then going into a higher frequency and then going faster, which worked so well because I actually cleared 144 like without any troubles, I would say, because usually it would be like kind of iffy and like maybe it worked, maybe it didn't, but this time I was just like straight up jump across it. Like it was really good, so I did clear it's like the grade 2, it's like B, I would say, in the US, and I was really happy with that. So that worked really well, and it was just very enjoyable to have like a little bit of a breakthrough to like feel good about something that you've been doing for weeks now at this point. So that was really fun. And then I just finished off with a sprint. So I did actually only work out for an hour, which is like totally fine for a high jump because you just warm up, you do a couple of jumps, you cool down, and I finished with like a sprint, and you can see my heart rate going up and going down. That's actually pretty fun, and I burned only 300 kilocalories, which I can't really believe that because it sounds like a little bit too little, but obviously it's not counting like the jumps and like the muscle contraction and everything, so maybe that's why. But it was really nice. And then basketball is also just like fun. Like basketball, I feel like at this point is just, it's kind of fun, kind of annoying sometimes. It's just like, you know, it's just what it is. It's just basketball. I don't really have a lot of pressure on that to do anything specific better. It's like a really different kind of sport, so I'm just like going with the flow. But it was good, I would say. That was amazing.
Every morning, the sunrise, you and me still riding high. But I know those days are long gone. You call me close, saying take it slow. Easy now, I'll take control. We were drenched in those golden days. If I ever fall for you again, I said I will let you know just where I land. So many echoes of younger days. Facts and figures can never display the beauty of two hearts as one.
Hi! I just finished yoga and it was a lot of fun. It was kind of challenging because I haven't done yoga in a long time, and I'm not really all that stiff because obviously I've been working out and also stretching quite a lot, but it just feels like the movements don't feel casual anymore. They're like, you have to put effort into them, which I'm not used to, but it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. Today I actually wanted to go practice track and field, but it was raining all day and like thunderstorming, like it was actually crazy, so I didn't go. So I just did yoga today, which I'm honestly totally fine with. I feel like I'm kind of at a point where I'm just like, I feel like I've done enough, which is obviously stupid to say because you've never really done with practicing, but I just feel like I'm at a point where I'm happy with where I'm at, and I just want to, you know, hone my skills a little bit, but I don't want to push myself too much anymore. I'm actually not mad about that. I'm gonna go tomorrow though to do track and field and basketball. And then the food today was also weird. We had like a super tiny breakfast and we had only one bowl of pasta, and that's all I've had. It's already 8:30. Oh my god, the time is passing so fast. I feel like the days are running away from me. But yeah, it's already pretty late and I don't really feel like I need anything more. It's a bit weird. Today is a weird day, but today is a chill day. Today is a good day. So yeah, that's what I just want to update you on, and I'm curious to see what the workouts and food is gonna be like tomorrow.
The smoke is disappearing, exposed our broken feelings. I don't know how we got here, but boy, I'm glad we're still
Good morning. Today we're gonna go tracking, and after we're gonna go skating. And there's not gonna be any basketball. Period. So let's go do some track and field.
been going through the phases, baby, and we've been acting crazy lately. And I just wanna let you know that all these feelings come and go. Been going through the phases, baby, and I can feel the times are changing. And I just wanna let you know that everyone goes through these phases, baby.
Ice cream, my mom's sweater. Late nights, my palms with her. Umbrellas for teardrops. I love you, I fear not. Phases of life faces, huh? Every day they keep changing, huh? We just gotta stay patient, huh? We ain't made love in ages, damn. This that dad of the year, right? This is what I dream for, right? This they take the kids aside to practice, everybody scream, that's goes right. You ain't gotta check my Twitter now. You can stop acting bitter now. This that natural feeling now. So you can't trust the filter now.
Phases, baby, and we've been acting crazy lately. And I just wanna let you know that all these feelings come and go. Been going through the phases, baby, and I can feel the times are changing. And I just wanna let you know that everyone goes through these phases, baby.
Maybe we could have made it last. My thoughts overlap. Maybe the moment's past. If I ever fall for you again.
I wanted to give you guys a little extra what I eat in a day. So here we are starting again with the nuts and the dates. I'm telling you, this is the best pre-practice breakfast you could have. For lunch, I got this couscous wrap from university, which was just perfect. It was delicious. It was like exactly what I needed at that point. So that was amazing. Then also a great combination that's a little bit healthier than like the milk chocolate is dark chocolate with dates. Amazing. You have to try. And then I finally again did one of my green juices. If you want to have the full recipe of this, I will probably upload a short or a reel really soon. So do follow me on Instagram if you don't already. And I love this. I usually used to drink drink it with the pulp. Now I prefer to strain it and to have it as a juice. I just sometimes do it on and off, but I will have that in detail on the reel, so make sure to check it out. And then for dinner that night, I actually had like a huge bulgur salad. It's like couscous, quinoa, that kind of thing, that kind of grain. And I caramelized some onions. I cut up bell peppers, tomatoes, avocado, just all the things that I had in my fridge basically, and I just threw it all together. And I made a dressing of like lemon, salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and some maple syrup, which was really, really good to have like the sweet, the sour, and the salty. It was amazing. And then the sauteed caramelized onions on top. It was to die for, like literally so good. And I ate this huge bowl almost all by myself. I could not stop eating it. It was so good. And then at night I actually had a little cheese late night snack because I was really craving it with this topping. I have no idea what it's called in English, but it goes perfectly with cheese. So that was an amazing day of eating for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. Maybe it helped you to get inspired a little bit to try some new things. That's what I really love about my uni, is that it's just like a different thing every semester. That's really fun. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.